Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to make a seriously good hummus that's going to taste better than any store-bought hummus you've ever tasted. Also, at the end of the process, there's a little secret that I learned with a Lebanese chef that really makes a difference on making this hummus super creamy and with the right texture. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Start with 1 can, 15 ounces of chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Drain and wash them under running cold water. Then transfer to a pan with enough water to cover them. Place them over high heat and bring them to a boil. Then simmer for 10 minutes. While they simmer is a good time to remove any skins that separate. This is not necessary but will help with a smoother hummus. After 10 minutes, the chickpeas should be nice and soft. At this time, drain and rinse them under cold running water. Also remove any loose skins. Transfer the chickpeas to a food processor and process for a few minutes to break them up. Scrape the sides down a few times. When the chickpeas are nice and broken up, add 1 or 2 crushed garlic cloves. 1/3 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, about 1/4 cup, half teaspoon of fine salt, a pinch of cumin powder, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then process everything until nice and smooth, about 3 to 5 minutes. At this time, add 2 ice cubes. This is a secret I learned and it really makes a big difference. Process for 3 minutes or so. The hummus will lighten up in color and get super creamy. Serve the hummus with a drizzle of fresh olive oil. I also like to top mine with some olives, a sprinkle of sumak, and some extra cumin. And the hummus is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with some pita bread or as you wish. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe at the end of the video. Thank you for watching.